How do state laws differ regarding felons and gun ownership?
Hello and welcome to our discussion on state laws regarding felons and gun ownership. This is a complex issue, with regulations varying considerably from state to state. The relationship between felony convictions and the right to own firearms is a hot-button topic across the nation. Let's delve into this subject and understand the differences.
What are the federal laws for felons and gun ownership?
As a starting point, we need to understand that federal law prohibits felons from owning firearms. Specifically, the Gun Control Act of 1968 bans convicted felons from possessing guns. This applies to everyone, regardless of the state they live in. However, there's more to it when we look at state laws.
How do state laws vary?
Despite the federal prohibition, individual states have the power to enact laws that restore a felon's right to own a gun, either through gubernatorial pardon, expungement of the crime, or through a restoration of rights process. In some states like New York and California, these laws are very stringent, with very few opportunities for felons to regain gun rights. However, in states like Vermont and New Hampshire, the laws are less restrictive, and there may be a path to gun ownership for some felons. Texas, for instance, allows felons to possess firearms at their residence, but only 5 years after their sentence, probation, and/or parole is completed. Some states have laws allowing for gun ownership rights to be reinstated for nonviolent felons after a certain period of time or under certain conditions.
Are there exceptions?
Yes, there can be exceptions. Some states differentiate between violent and nonviolent felonies when it comes to gun ownership rights. For instance, a person convicted of a violent felony may find it harder or impossible to regain their gun ownership rights, while a person convicted of a nonviolent felony may have a clearer path. Moreover, some states allow for relief from disability programs. These programs, when completed successfully, restore the right to own firearms to those who were previously barred due to a felony conviction. In conclusion, while federal law broadly prohibits gun ownership for felons, individual state laws can, and do, offer various paths for felons to regain these rights. The specifics vary greatly from state to state, making this a complex issue to navigate. Knowing your local state laws is crucial if you're a felon wishing to regain your gun ownership rights. As always, seeking legal counsel is recommended in these circumstances. Thank you for joining us on this informative journey. Stay informed and stay safe.